Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Priyam, happy to have you back. So today I'm going to do is quick unboxing of MacBook Air, and I'm going to show you what inside the box, and at the last part of the video I'm going to give you full specification of MacBook Air. So stay tuned with me after this intro. Come to the unboxing. Now let's open the box. Here you got the MacBook. Let's keep this aside and see what's inside the box. One part of the extension cord. Now this particular part of the cord is 6 feet long, and the adapter, and the additional extension cord, which is also 6 feet long. So total about 12 feet cord, which is awesome. Some documentation and a pair of Apple stickers. Let's come to the laptop. Well, it's a pretty lightweight laptop of 1.35 kg with the operating system of Mac OS Sierra, powered by Intel Core i5 processor and 8GB DDR3 RAM with 128GB solid state drive. Left side of the laptop you got the charging port, USB port, and a headphone jack. And right side of the laptop you got the HDMI port, USB port, and SD card port. So here's the quick overview of MacBook Air. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to comment something, then please comment down below. And I just want to thank all my subscribers who support me and support to these channels. Thank you for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video.